Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Now if you like really easy and straightforward Canva tutorials, then make sure to subscribe to stay updated from any new videos. So in this video I will show you how you can easily download a PDF file in Canva. Now I have made the self-care checklist to sell on my Etsy store, and I want to download it in a PDF file so that the customers can receive this when they purchase the checklist. So I have opened my design. This is it, and I want to share it. So click on share. Then here you can see download. And then here by file type, you can select PDF. Now you can select the standard PDF, or you can select PDF print. Now for this one, I'm going to choose the print version because my customers will print this checklist. So click on PDF print, and then here you can set different things. You can select the pages. Now I want to download them both. And then here you can choose RGB, which is best for digital use, or this one, and this is best for professional printing. Now I want to choose this one. But as you can see, it stands with a crown. Now this means that you will need a Canva Pro version. Now don't worry if you want to try it. I will link it in the description box below, so you can use a free trial to see if it works for you. So I'm going to select this one, and then all you have to do is click on download, and then your PDF file will be created. Now my PDF file has been downloaded, and this is the result. So as you can see, it's really easy and quick to download a PDF file in Canva. Now I really hope that you liked this tutorial. If you did so, then please give this video a like. Let me know in the comments what you think, or if you want to see another tutorial about something that you don't really know how to do it, then please let me know, and I see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.